I've never, Martha, what have I told you about entering unannounced?
Wasn't on the list.
For you. Don't let me abandon you.
That's no good. What about the stuff you didn't tell me? What about women? Oh, no, you didn't think of that. What the hell am I supposed to do then?
Thank you.
You had to, didn't you? You had to go and fall in love with a human. And it wasn't me.
Darkness is coming.
Keep me away from the false and empty man.
Last of the Time Lords, the last of that wise and ancient race.
The faces of men.
Who's that, mate? Silly beggars. Nearly broke me neck. Who's that then? Is it you, Saul?
I don't understand. It's Mr. Clark, isn't it? What have I done wrong?
Nothing at all. In fact, you're just what we need, girl.
She works at the school. And whatever's happening seems to be centered around that establishment. The faintest of traces, but they all lead back there.